Today we're making extreme brownies. You'll want to stick around. Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. Today we're making extreme brownies in a Dutch oven. And because we are Outdoor Skills Made Easy, we're using a pre-made brownie mix. So we're going to put the brownie mix in the bowl, add 3 eggs, and if you prefer to have a denser brownie, you can add 2 eggs. We like it a little more fluffy and light. So we're going to add 3 eggs. It requires a ½ cup of oil and 1/4 cup of water. Mix those ingredients all together and start your Dutch oven. Once that's going, we'll wait about 20 minutes and then add the extreme ingredients, which include walnut and pecan pieces, chocolate chips, caramel pieces, some marshmallows. We love to add graham cracker, little graham cracker pieces, and then we're going to sprinkle the top with coconut. It's fantastic. Let's go ahead and mix up our ingredients. First we add the mix, 1/4 cup of water. Now we'll add our oil. And now we'll add some eggs. Beautiful. Let's get mixing. Another thing that we're going to do to make this an easy dish is we're going to add a Dutch oven liner to make cleanup easy. We've added a little touch of oil to the liner. Now we're going to just spread it around. You don't need much. There we go. We've started our charcoal and we've got our Dutch oven preheated. As you can see, we've got 13 coals on the top, and you can't see, but we've got 7 on the bottom using the rule of 3, which we taught in another video. Okay, we've got the lid off. Time to pour in the brownie mix. Let's put the lid back on. And we'll let that cook for about 20 minutes. After about 10 minutes, you'll want to turn your Dutch oven. So we're going to rotate the oven one direction and the lid a third the other direction. And so that will avoid having any hot spots as you're cooking your brownies. It's been 20 minutes and we can really smell the brownies, and they smell delicious. So now's the time to make extreme brownies. Now's when the magic happens. We're going to move the Dutch oven off. I'm going to take my bucket and scrape off the coals. So now we've removed the heat from the bottom. We'll open this up and add the fun ingredients to make extreme brownies. Oh my goodness, look at that. Time to sprinkle on nuts, chocolate chips, graham cracker, caramel, marshmallows, and a little coconut on top. Another 5 or 6 minutes, and it will be melted to perfection. You can check this periodically, and when the ingredients have melted down to your preference, it's ready to take it off the fire, let it rest for a few minutes, and then serve it up. Oh, that smells so good, and little marshmallows have melted down. It's like the perfect roasted marshmallow on top. Oh, look at that. Chocolate, gooey perfection right there. And because it's chocolate overload day, we've added some Rocky Road ice cream to go along with our brownie. Oh my word. Wow. That is a special dessert. Your family's going to go crazy. Highly recommend it. We hope that you've enjoyed watching us make this simple and easy brownie, extreme brownie treat. And we hope that you'll join us again at OSME TV.